We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced legal terms and phrases and expressions from Latin too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. It means literally by branch. How do you say it? Per Stirpes. Stir peas, yes, just like stir your peas. Not stirps, not per stirpes, but rather per stirpes. Pretty straightforward once you know per stirpes, or in American English, per stirpes. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting phrases and expressions from Latin and legal terms whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.